Let me show you how to design this poster in Adobe Photoshop. Start by creating a new file, size 21 by 29.7 centimeters. Set the resolution to 200 and then press Create. Alright, let's start by grabbing the pen tool, and then we'll draw our shape. Now hold the Alt key and click here to break the handle. Follow along these steps. Click and drag to create this curve. Now hold the Alt key and click here to break the handle. Alright, now right-click here and choose Make Selection. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. I will choose this dark green color. When you finish, press OK. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Right-click here and choose Create Clipping Mask to only affect the layer below it. Adjust the image to fully fit within the shape. Change the blending mode to luminosity. Go to Filter, Blur. Choose Gaussian Blur. Follow these settings and then press OK. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Go to Select and choose Subject. Add a layer mask. Let's change the color of his t-shirt to green. I'll show you how to do it. Start by selecting the Quick Selection tool. Then make a selection of the t-shirt. If you select too much, just hold Alt and click to remove the extra areas. You can zoom in and reduce the size of the brush to select the tiny areas of the t-shirt. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Let's choose the same green color that we have used before. Right-click here and choose Create Clipping Mask to only affect the layer below it. Change the blending mode to color. Hold Shift and select these two layers. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Add a layer mask. Hold Alt and click here to make a selection. Choose the Marquee Selection tool, then right-click and select Inverse. We are inverting the selection to affect the area outside the shape. Now click on the mask of this image. Choose the Brush tool. Choose the hard round brush. Set the opacity and the flow to 100%. Follow along these steps. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Scale it while holding the Shift button. Go to Select and choose Subject. Add a layer mask. Follow this process. Duplicate this layer like this. Choose this layer. Now click on the mask. Choose the Brush tool. Choose the soft round brush. Set the opacity to 100 and reduce the flow. Set the foreground color to white. Follow along these steps. Change the blending mode to Multiply. Now choose the background layer. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Change the blending mode to Darken. Reduce the fill. Now we want to add the sponsors right here. We'll drag them in one by one and make sure to scale each of them down so they fit nicely. Just follow along with me as we go through these steps, and you'll see how it all comes together. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. If you have any questions, write them below, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Hold Shift and select all of these layers. Let's group them. Rename the group as you like. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Black and White. Hold Alt and click here to create a clipping mask. Drag this photo to Photoshop. You can find the download link in the description below. Scale it while holding the Shift button. Follow this process. For the final step, we're going to add the text. I've already written it out, and I'll show you the fonts I used here. Just follow these steps, and you'll be able to recreate the same look. This is the font that I'm using. Follow these settings. All the fonts are available through the link in the description below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. For this text only, change the blending mode to luminosity. If you have any questions, write them below, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. That's it. Hope you liked it. You can download all the PSD files from my tutorials on Patreon page for a small fee. It's a great way to support the channel and get all the project files in one place. Check the link in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.